Okay, students, can you see my screen? Whether it is
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here the exercise 1.1. He has given exercise 1.1.
Yes, sir.
So is the right thing everybody has solved these problems in the given
Yes, sir.
exercise 1.1
Yes, sir.
or
Yes, sir.
textbook. Some textbook it is chapter 2, that is 2.1. Okay. Now tell me. So according to this, see here, in these problems, is there any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. I have a question. Uh, what kind of a property you have used for this problem?
Commutative property and distributive property, sir.
It's commutative property. No, anybody?
Distributive property, sir.
Only distributive property. Is it right? Here distributive property will be used. Okay, na? And what about this one? Which property again you have
Distributive,
used?
sir.
Distributive
Here
property,
also,
sir.
Distributive
very
property,
good.
sir.
Here also, yes, this is also a distributive property. Very good. Okay, na? Distributive property. And then what about the this? Write the additive inverse of each of the following. He has given
Sir,
like that. What is that? What is the additive inverse of 2 by 8?
Minus 2 by 8,
minus
sir.
2 by 8, sir.
Minus 2 by 8. Minus 2 by
Very
8.
good. And
5 by
minus
9,
5 by
5 by
9.
9, sir. 5 by 9, sir.
What about this one?
6 by 5, sir.
6 by 5,
6 by 5, sir.
Yes,
minus 6
this
by
is
5, sir.
this one get cancelled. The answer is minus 6 by 5.
Minus 6 by 5.
Okay, na? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
minus 6 5. What about this one?
2 by 9, sir. 2 by 9.
9, sir.
2 by 9,
2
sir.
by 9. 2
9.
by
9.
9. Yes.
9, sir.
What about this one?
19 by 6,
19
sir.
by
19 by 6, sir. 19 by
19
6,
by?
sir.
Very
6,
good.
sir.
Now, so verify that minus x bracket minus x is equal to x. What he has told that he has given the formula like that minus x is equals to x. Okay, na? And he
Yes.
has given x value as 11 by 15. Whether these two are equal. So let us see
Yes,
whether
sir.
they are equal.
Yes, sir. LHS
See,
equal
They
to
are equal,
LHS.
sir.
minus
LHS is equal to
11
RHS,
by
sir. They are
11
equal,
by
sir.
15 equal to 11 by 15.
is equals to 11 by 15 and minus into minus is plus
Plus.
Plus,
11
sir.
by 15.
15
Here
is equal
also
to 11 by 15.
11 by
11 by 15.
15.
LHS is equal to
LHS is
RHS.
equal to RHS. Whether
LHS
it
is
is
equal to RHS,
verified,
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
and same you have to do for this one also. Here also minus
LHS is equal to
x
RHS, sir.
is equals to x.
LHS is equal to
Therefore,
RHS, sir.
Equal to
very good.
LHS equal to
Here minus and here
Yes.
minus is given. No, now look at minus means
minus
again minus
13.
13 by
Minus 13 by
17
17.
is equals to minus 13 by
13 by
17.
17.
And now
Minus
minus into
cancel,
minus
sir.
plus.
Plus.
Okay. Here 13 by 17 is equals to
Is equal
minus
to
13 by
minus 13
17.
by 17. LHS
Here
equal to
also
RHS.
minus 13 by
LHS is equal
17
to RHS,
and
sir.
here also
LHS equal to
minus
RHS,
13
sir.
by 17. Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next, the fourth question. The multiplicative inverse of the following. What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 13?
1 by
1 by minus
1
13,
by
sir.
minus 13.
1 by minus 13, sir. 1 by
Very
minus
good.
13, sir.
Wow. What
19
is
by minus 13, sir.
19 by minus 13, sir.
Sir.
minus 13? Very good. What about this one?
5 by 1, sir.
5 by 1, sir. 5 by 1,
Okay,
sir.
5 by 1. What about these two?
56 by 15, sir.
56 by 15, sir.
56 by 15,
Yes.
sir.
So you first you
15,
have to
sir.
multiply these. So 56 15 divided by 56.
56.
So the inverse is 56 by
56
15.
by
Is it right?
15. Yes, sir.
What about for this one?
5 by 2.
Minus
5 by 2, sir. 5 by 2, sir.
By
5 by 2, sir.
and
5 by 2,
the answer
sir.
is 5. Okay, 5 by 2. So here minus into minus plus 1 into 2 is 2. Therefore, the answer is 2 by 5. Its multiplicative inverse is 5 by
5 by
5 by
2.
2, sir.
what about this one?
1 by minus 1, sir.
1 by minus 1,
One by
sir.
minus 1, sir.
1 by minus 1,
1
sir.
by minus 1, sir.
1 by
Or
minus
you
1,
can
sir.
write minus 1. Okay, na? So 1 by minus 1 is what? Again minus 1, is it right?
Yes, sir.
So the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is also minus 1. And what is the multiplicative inverse of 1?
1, sir.
1.
1, sir.
1, sir.
Yes, 1 and minus 1 has own reciprocals.
Reciprocal.
Their own reciprocals. Okay, na? Understood, Aitala?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now come to the name the properties under multiplication used in each of the following. What kind of a property is used? Very first.
Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity, sir.
Multiplicative identity, sir.
Very good. Very good. What about the second one?
Multiplicative identity. Commutative property,
No.
sir.
Commutative property,
Commutative
sir.
property, sir.
Commutative property, sir.
Commutative property over multiplication.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
right?
Yes,
What about
sir.
this one?
Sir.
First.
Multiplicative inverse, sir.
Multiplicative inverse.
Multiplicative inverse,
Very
sir.
good. Multiplicative inverse. Very good. And come to the next question. Okay, wait.
Answer minus 96
The
by
sixth
91.
one. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. What he has
Minus
told?
96.
First we write the reciprocal
Minus
of
96 by 91, sir.
So now look at first the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Its reciprocal is 16 by minus 7. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
And then you take that and multiply with 6 by 13. Therefore 16 by minus 7. Now what is the answer?
Minus 96 by 91, sir.
Minus 96 by 91, sir.
91, sir.
This is 91. So minus 96 by 91 is right answer.
Yes.
Are you understood? First,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to try to understand the question what he has asked, and then you have to try to getting the answer for that question. So unless you can't understand the question, you can't answer those questions. First, you try to understand the question what he has asked. Okay, na? So what he has told that simply multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of what? ಈ 6 ಭಾಗಲೆ 13ಕ ಇದರ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ನಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಮೈನಸ್ 7 by 16 ಅದ್ದು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ಬಂದಂತ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ತಂದು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಈ 6 by 13 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಆನ್ಸರು? minus 96 by 91 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ come to the solution. Now come to the seventh question. So tell what property allows you to compute. ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Associative property, sir.
Associative property or multiplication, sir.
Very
By
good.
using associative property of multiplication, sir.
Very good.
Or
very good.
multiplication.
Associative property. Okay, very good. And ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ
A into bracket B into C.
ಓಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ 8 by 9 multiplicative inverse of minus 1 integer 1 by 8. Why
No,
are
sir.
why
No,
not?
sir. No, sir.
Sorry,
No, sir.
No, sir.
8 by 9 ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? 9 by 8 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸರಿ, ಅವನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನ? ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ minus 1 of 1 by 8 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೊ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 8 1 8 8 plus 1 9
Minus
minus 9 by 8.
minus 9 by 8.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ -9/8 ಬಂತು. ನಮಗೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? -9/8. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus yes, very good. This is not a okay. So it is not a multiplicative inverse because it has a negative sign.
Negative
Why?
sign.
Because it has a
Negative sign.
negative sign.
It must be a positive.
Very good. It must be a positive. Very good. Now, so come to the next question. Look at, is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1/3?
Yes,
3
sir.
equal 1/3.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
ಇದು
Yes,
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ
sir.
ಅಂತೆ, ಇದರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ. 3 into 1/3 ನ 3 3s are 9 9 plus 1 10 by
10 by 3.
3.
10 by 3.
ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 3 ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು 3/10 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
3 by 10 into 10 by 3.
ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes,
ಸೊ
sir.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ
Yes, sir.
ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
10 by
Yes,
3
sir.
ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 3/10. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
0.3 is multiplicative inverse of 3 integer 1 by 3.
Correct. Very good. Very good. Next. Next question. 10th one nodri. The 10th question. The rational number that does not have
Zero,
reciprocals.
sir. Zero. Zero, sir. Zero, sir.
0. Very good. So reciprocal na ಹೇಳಿದನೆ, the reciprocal doesn't have, the 0 doesn't have any reciprocal. Okay na? And the rational number that are equal to their reciprocals how?
Plus 1 and minus 1, sir.
One,
Plus
sir.
1 and minus 1.
1 and
1, sir.
Minus 1.
1 and minus
1,
1. Very
sir.
good. Very good. Both are. They are the reciprocals. They are equal to their reciprocals. Okay na? And the rational number that is equal to its negative.
Zero.
The rational
Zero.
number
0.
that
0, sir.
is
Zero,
equal
sir.
to its
0. 0, sir.
yes. The rational number that is equal to its negative, that is 0. Okay na?
0.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
fill in the blanks. 0 has what?
No reciprocal.
No
sir.
reciprocal.
No reciprocal, sir.
Very good. The number 1
One
and
and-
minus 1
And
are
minus
their
1, sir.
own reciprocal. The reciprocal of minus 5 is
Minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5.
sir.
Minus 1 by 5,
very
sir.
good. Very good. The reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0.
Yes,
That is
sir.
rational number.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. The product of two rational number is always a
Rational number.
Rational number, sir.
Rational number, sir.
very good. Rational number. Very good. The reciprocal of positive rational number is
Positive number, sir. Positive.
Positive, sir.
very good.
Positive, sir.
Very good. So like that. Okay na? So we have discussed all the problems in the exercise 1.1. Is there any doubts you can ask?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
If you don't have
No
any
doubt,
doubts, let us, we have to move for the next concept of this chapter. Okay na? Fine? Completed? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಈಗ.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
ಓಕೆ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ 1.1 ಅಂತೂ ನಾವು ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Okay, now come to the look at. So today we are going to study representation of rational numbers
All the children who are in the class now.
Numbers on number line. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಹಿಂದಿಲ್ದ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, you already learnt about the representation of whole numbers and what are integers on number line. You already learnt about these, how we can represent the numbers on the, for example I will take one example that is for the integers. ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, -3 ಮತ್ತೆ -2 ಅನ್ನು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ 5 ಒಂದು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ and you have to represent 0 at the center. From right side you always put the positive numbers. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
And the left side negative numbers.
2 -3.
Very good, like that and so on. So representation number 3 on number line means, where is number line? So here number line, the minus is here. Is it right? And
Yes, sir.
what about this one? This is -2. Okay na? Where is 5? Yes, 5 is, that is positive. So like that you will represent the integers on the number line. You already learnt these things in a previous year or previous class. So in this way or in the same way we have to represent. So we have to represent the given rational numbers on the number line. How? So look at, sometimes he will give the, you know that while we are going to study about the comparison of the rational numbers, which one is the greater and which one is the smaller one. So you already knew that how we can find. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. 1/5, 2/5, 4/5 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದಾವೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್?
4/5, sir.
4/5, sir.
4/5, sir.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Obviously
4/5, sir.
4/5. How you told that it is a greater rational number?
Because the denominator is same.
All denominator are equal, sir. Which numerator is big, we will take that.
Number, sir.
Yes. If all the values in the denominators are same, where there will be a denominator, that rational number is known as the greater rational number, simply. So among these two, so this one and 2/5, which is the greater rational number?
2/5, sir.
5/5. So 2/5 is greater than 1/5 and 4/5 is greater than 2/5, like that.
2/5.
Is it right? Very good. And in
Yes,
the
sir.
same way, okay, if now tell me 6/2 is there, 6/7 is there, 6/11, 6/5.
6/2 is bigger,
Among
sir. 6/2 is bigger,
6/2,
sir.
sir.
6/2 is greater, sir. 6/2 is greater, sir.
So in this case, the numerator values are same. but the
Later.
denominator values are different. That means where there will be a smaller value in the
6/5.
numerator, that is the greater rational number.
Greater.
So this one is the greater rational number. Is it right? So among these, which one is the smallest rational number?
6 by 11, sir. 6 by 11,
This is
sir.
the very good. This
6
is
by
the
11.
smallest. Okay, now this one is the smallest rational number. Is it right? Are you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to be know. So these things, and you already knew about that, I think so. Now come to the representation of rational numbers on the number line. And my question is, represent minus 3 by 7, 2 by 7, next minus 1 by 7, and 5 by 7 on number line. Sometimes he may ask the question like this, on number line. Look at this one. How we can represent? You should have to be know very carefully. You know that first you get, if the values in the denominators are same, the values in the numerators are different, and even you know that the numerator is always less than the denominator, such kind of a rational numbers are called what kind of the rational numbers, or what kind of the fractions they are?
Proper fraction, sir.
Is it right?
Proper fraction.
Okay, na proper rational ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇವುಗಳ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, the values are always between 0 and 1. Are you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗಳು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ 0 ಮತ್ತು 1 ಗಳ ನಡುವೆನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It is always less than 1. Are you understood what I'm telling?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ಇವುಗಳ ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಲೆಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಹೌದಾ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಹೌದಾ, ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರ 0 and 0, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 0 and ಸಾರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 0 and 1 ಇದರ ನಡುವೆನೇ ಇರುತ್ತವೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸರಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಈವನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ರಿ? How much equal parts? There shows that equal parts. Is it right?
Yes,
Equal parts. Yes, equal parts ಅಂತ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, I have a one pizza. I want to distribute this pizza to the 4 person equally. What I have to do?
sir.
I want to divide that pizza into 4 equal parts. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Is it right?
Yes.
So what is the value of each pizza? What is the value of each pizza?
1 by 7, sir. 1 by 4.
1 by 7, sir.
1 by
4. I told 4
1 by 7.
1 by 4.
Arey, I told 4
1 by 7,
parts.
sir.
Arey, I have taken pizza. I want to divide that pizza into 4 equal parts. So what is the value of
1 by 4.
1 by 4?
1 by 4, sir.
1 by 4, sir.
Very good.
1 by 4, sir.
Okay, if I divide 7 parts equally, that means what is the value of
1
each
by
part?
1 by 7.
1 by 7, 1 by 7.
Very good, very good.
1 by 7.
So like that, you have to be understood what are those things. Okay na? Now ಈಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವು ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಒನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. Look at this one. I want to write 0 here. This denominator shows that these are the parts which are between 0 and 1. Here 1 is there, positive. Here minus 1 is there. Okay na? So I want to divide this line 0 to 1 into 7 equal parts. How much parts?
7 equal parts.
7
equal parts.
Okay,
Seven
now
equal
look at
parts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1,
Yes, sir.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6,
Now,
7.
so what is the value of right in a fraction? ಇದನ್ನ rational number ಬರೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ 0 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೇನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು? 0/7 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದಲ್ಲ?
0/7.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
7 equal parts ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? So what is the value of this one? ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
1/7.
1/7.
Very
1/7.
good. ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
2/7. 2/7. 2/7.
Very good. What about this one?
3/7, sir.
3/7.
Very good.
3/7, sir.
What about this one?
4/7. 4/7.
What about this one?
5/7.
What about this one?
6/7.
What about this one?
7/7. 1.
7/7 equal to 1 ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲ?
7/7 or 1.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Like that.
Yes,
In the same way, here left side you also have to divide. Same. 1,
but minus
2, 3, 4, 5,
5,
6, and 7.
7.
Okay na? Now, what about this one? Minus 1/7.
Minus 1/7, sir.
Minus 2/7.
2/7.
Minus
Minus
3/7.
3/7.
Minus
Minus
4/7.
4/7.
Minus
Minus
5/7.
5/7.
Minus
Minus
6/7.
6/7. Minus 7/7. Or 1.
Minus 7/7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು?
Or 1. No.
Minus
1. Minus 1. Minus 1.
ಹಾ.
Minus 1.
ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
represent these numbers on the ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ್ದು minus 3/7 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Yes, here you have to identify minus 3/7. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes,
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 2/7 ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, 2/7. ಅಂಡ್ minus 1/7 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಎಸ್, minus 1/7. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂಡ್ 5/7 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಎಸ್, 5/7 is here. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way of representing the given rational numbers on the number line. Are understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I want to take one more example. Minus 9/10, 5/10, 1, minus 3/10, minus 6/10. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
Number lines.
0 number lines. 0 to
ಇದು 1 ಅಂತ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಇದು
1, sir.
10/10, sir.
that is
1/10, sir.
10/10.
1/10, sir.
10/10, sir.
10/10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 is nothing but 10/10. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಹೆಂಗಿದಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 1 ಮತ್ತೆ -1 ಗಳ ನಡುವೆನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? 0 and -1, 0 and 1 in between these two. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ and ಎಷ್ಟು equal parts ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ?
10 sir.
10 equal parts.
I want
10 equal parts.
very good. Okay, now here I will write 0 and here 1 and here -1. Now start making the equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
9, 10.
Here 1,
1,
2,
-1,
3, 4,
3,
5,
4,
6,
5,
7,
6,
8,
7,
9,
9,
10.
9,
10 equal
10.
parts. Okay, na? Very good. So I want to write now. What is the value of 0 now? 0 by 10.
0 by 10.
And here 1 by
1 by 10. 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10.
Now keep quiet. Don't repeat. Everybody, look at here. So no need to be write every numbers here. No need to be write every numbers here. Just you have to part equally, and then you have to directly represent these numbers. So -9 by 10. Where is -9 by 10? Yes, obviously -9 by 10 is here. Is it right? And where is 5 by
Yes, sir.
10? 5 by 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 by 10 is here. Okay, na? And 1 means what? 1 by 1 means here already is there. That is 1.
10 by 10.
And -3 by 10. Where is -3 by 10? 1, 2, 3. This is -3 by 10. Is it right? And where is -6 by 10? Yes, 4, 5, 6. -6 by 10. So only you have to represent the given values on the number line, but you should have to be divide the number line into how much parts he has given in the question. Are you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
All of you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one more example I will take.
Now in which date Mazi write in her diary?
So look at, sometimes he may give the question like this. Represent
Okay, then where did the Tommy found that book, the real book?
7 by 4
In his home on the attic. Okay, attic.
5 by 4
And in the
Uh,
we have a
1 by 4
class
minus 6 by 4 and minus 5 by 4. So now look at what kind of these numbers are there here. And also I will take one more 2 by 4. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್?
Yes sir.
ಸೊ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, 4 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 1 ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ -1 ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆನಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಈಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ 0, 1, 2 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇವು. ಸೊ 2 ವರೆಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? 2 ಒಳಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 7 by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 0, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 1 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 2 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ -1, ಹಿಯರ್ -2.
-2.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to -1, -1 to -2, ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ 4 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. Look at their denominator. He has given all the denominators are 4. Is it right?
4.
So that means I want to divide all the numbers 4 equal parts. 1,
4 equal parts.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay now? Now from this one 0 by 7. Okay na? What about this one? Sorry, 0 by 4.
0 by 4, sir.
What about this one?
1 by 4, sir.
1 by 4.
2 by 4.
2 by 4.
2 by 4. 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
And this is
4 by 4.
4 by 4.
What is equal to
What
1?
about this?
5 by 4.
What about this one?
5 by 4.
5 by
5 by
4.
4.
6 by 4. 7 by
7 by
4.
4.
8 by
8 by 4.
Are you understood? Now
Yes, sir.
here also
Yes, sir.
minus 1 by
Minus
4.
1 by 4. Minus 2 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 4 by 4. Minus 5 by 4 by 4. Minus 6 by 4. Minus 7 by 4. Minus 8 by 6.
Minus 1 by 4. Minus 8 by 4.
Okay na? Are you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ 1 by 4 ಅನ್ನು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ 7 by 4.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
Is it right? And 5 by 4 again positive rational number here. And 1 by 4 is also a positive rational number.
0 ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay. Now minus 6 by 4. Where is minus 6 by 4? Yes, obviously here. Minus 6 by 4. And minus 5 by 4. Here also minus 5 by 4 is there.
Negative.
Okay. And 2 by 4. Where is 2 by 4? It is a positive.
Positive.
Is it right? This is the
Yes,
way
sir.
of representing the given rational numbers on the number line. Is there any doubts in these examples?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಸರ್ 1 ನ 2 ನಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ.
ಹಾ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir.
ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಎಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 1 ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 1. ಸೊ
1 3 ನಡು ಬರ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಹಂಗ ಇದು 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ, ಇದು 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ, ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಒಳಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 1 ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 1 ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 1 ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 1. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ, ನಾವು ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? 0 to 1, 1 to 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
ಆ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಬೇಗನೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮತ್ತೇನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್
No doubt, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿವ್ರಿ.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು yes, all these are homework. Is there any doubt?